Welcome. If you've ever set a custom status on Discord using your mobile device and now want to remove it, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to delete a custom status on your Discord app, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First things first, grab your phone and open up the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will bring up your user settings. Now, on your profile page, you'll notice your current status displayed right next to your profile picture. It might show a custom message, an emoji, or whatever you set last time. Tap directly on the status area. This will open up the status menu where you can edit or remove your current status. Here's the important part. To delete your custom status, simply tap the option that says Delete Status. It's usually at the bottom of the status menu. Once you tap this, your custom status will be instantly removed, and your profile will go back to showing the default status, like online or whatever you have set as your standard. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your custom status on Discord using your mobile device. No more outdated messages or emojis lingering on your profile. It's a simple process, but it can make your Discord presence feel a lot cleaner and more up to date. If you ever want to set a new status, just repeat these steps and choose a new message or emoji. Discord makes it super easy to customize your presence, and now you know exactly how to keep it fresh. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Discord tips and tricks. See you in the next video.